Ever wonder what separates successful traders from the rest? It's not just about knowing the markets. It's about mastering your mind. Hello, traders. Today, we're diving into the crucial world of trading psychology, the secret ingredient to consistent success. Section 1. What is trading psychology? Trading psychology refers to the emotional and mental aspects that influence a trader's decisions. It's about how you react to market movements, not just the data itself. Section 2. Common psychological challenges. Many traders struggle with emotions like fear, greed, and overconfidence. These emotions can lead to impulsive decisions, affecting trading outcomes. Section 3. Strategies to master your mindset. Here are key strategies to enhance your trading psychology. Develop a trading plan. Stick to a plan to avoid emotional trades. Practice patience. Wait for clear signals instead of reacting hastily. Keep a trading journal. Reflect on your trades and emotions to learn and grow. Section 4. Real-life example. Let me tell you about Alex, a trader who once faced the same challenges. Overwhelmed by fear and greed, Alex made impulsive trades, leading to losses. But by keeping a trading journal, he identified his emotional triggers and started practicing mindfulness. By sticking to his plan and waiting for the right opportunities, Alex transformed his trading results, turning losses into consistent gains. Remember, mastering your mindset is key to becoming a successful trader. Keep practicing discipline, stay patient, and happy trading.